Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. This is very simple to create. Just watch the video till the end. Now let's move directly to the steps. First of all, friends, open your WhatsApp application on your device, and once it is open, simply go to the WhatsApp update section. Then you can see different channels showing here. You can follow any of these according to your interest. Now click on these three dots, and then simply click on Create Channel. Here, keep in mind that people can discover or search for your channel, but can't see your phone number, profile picture, and name, so don't worry, your phone number is not going to be leaked. Now simply click on Continue. After that, set your channel name, write your channel description, and then set your channel profile picture. After doing all this, just click on Create Channel. Now, as you can see, the channel has been created successfully. With your WhatsApp channel, you can update your followers by posting texts and videos. From here, you can share your channel to your status. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.